not quite long ago, we recorded a massive feat of arrest of kidnappers who usually operated from Ibilo in Edo State. About 8 of them confessed. We also arrested people who stock in trade was to relay bank customers. As soon as you get your money from the bank, they trail you to your destination, pick you up. We were able to smash that syndicate. But the interesting thing about these people is that they are not from the state. This is from most of them. Like the one I just mentioned, were from Bayelsa State. Some were from the east. But luckily for us, we were able to smash them. And the one that happened recently, very reprehensible, very unfortunate. We are doing our darkness to ensure that the perpetrators are brought to justice.